So I recently discovered something and I want to share it with you guys. I was browsing Facebook ad manager and it kept saying that I have an ad blocker turned on, I should disable it, but I didn't have an ad blocker turned on. So I had to go through my Chrome extensions one by one, and it turns out that the issue was actually Winscribe, right? And this is not the first time it's happening. There was a time I was also checking Adstera dashboard, and it wasn't loading the dashboard completely. I had to turn off my extensions, and it turns out that the issue was also coming from Winscribe as well. So here's my advice for you. When you're not using your Winscribe, turn it off. Like, just disable the extension. You can always enable it when you want to, change your location or, use it for anything really. But be careful. It might actually be preventing you from experiencing web pages correctly.